Welcome to my channel. Today we see isothermal expansion. First I see what is expansion. Expansion means you all know the volume of the gas increases. That is called expansion. Suppose I take a cylinder fitted with piston. In this a gas is taken. If the volume of gas increases or the volume of the gas decreases, then what happens mean here work is done. Work is done. So here the expansion process. So work is done. Here also work is done. Work is done means work is done by the system. That is called minus W. Work is done by the system. That is called. So increase in the volume means work is done by the system. Contraction in the volume means work is done on the system. If I say work is done by the system, from year to year, what happens means energy goes out. But work is done on the system from surrounding to that the energy enters. Then what is called ISO? ISO means remains same. ISO means what is called ISO? ISO means remains same. What is same? Same means here that is ISO means it is constant. Thermal means it is temperature. So it is a process carried out at constant temperature. How the temperature is kept constant here means during this process I take during this process it is a system. During this process heat energy may during this process heat energy is allowed to flow inside the system. Heat energy is allowed to flow into the system. Heat energy is allowed to move out or flow out of the system. Either year to year heat energy moves or year to year to keep the heat energy, that is called temperature, as constant. So that the heat energy flow year or year to keep the temperature of the system remains constant. That is called isothermal process. Isothermal process is one of the thermodynamic process. It is isothermal process, one of the thermodynamic process. What is called thermodynamic process? It's a process. Process means here we are doing some changes. That is called operation. So it is an operation carried out at constant temperature. If it is carried out at constant temperature, what is called thermodynamic process? During this process, a system is changing its states from initial to final. One state to another state it moves. So the state of the system changes. State of the system changes. That is called thermodynamic process. So if I carry out the isothermal expansion, it is the isothermal stands for then a process carried out at constant temperature. It's one of the thermodynamic process taking place at constant temperature which changes the state of the system. So system moves from initial state to final state. That is called. What is called state? You all know that here. State means here that is the stage or state, that is the position. It has some properties fixed. If it undergoes the change here, it is going to some other state means there the properties will change. That is called state of the system changes. That is called thermodynamic process. Then I come to this here. During this process, what remains same? Temperature remains same. So temperature is constant mean delta is equal to 0. Change the temperature is equal to 0. Is it not? So I take in this process temperature remains same. If temperature remains same, the internal energy of the system, that means I take a system, it is ideal gas which obeys Charles and Boyle's law. For any ideal gas, the internal energy of the ideal gas depends on temperature. But here the temperature is not changing means the difference in the internal energy is equal to 0. So for isothermal expansion, even though the volume increases, but the internal energy of the system is 0 and temperature is 0. Change the temperature is 0 and the internal energy change is also 0. Is it not here? Right. Now you all know the thermodynamic first law. What thermodynamic first law says, the change in the internal energy is equal to heat energy plus W. What is called W? W means you all know work. Work means it is a mode of energy transfer. So it is also energy. It is also energy. It is heat energy. This is work. Energy involved in this. So you all know del U is equal to 0. If it is 0, 0 plus Q plus W. So I get here Q is equal to minus W. If I say minus W, work is done. Is done by the system. By the system. By doing this work, it takes heat energy. So what we need to say, doing this, it needs here heat energy. So work is done by the system at the expense of heat energy. What it means at the expense of heat energy, using the heat energy, this work is carried out. That is the meaning for the Q. This work done by the system, the magnitude of this work, the work magnitude depends on the nature of the process, whether it is a reversible process or irreversible process. You all know irreversible process, it cannot be reversed, even it is at every stage. Why I say like that? In irreversible process, what is called here also there is an equilibrium. Equilibrium exists in between initial and final stage. Even irreversible process, equilibrium is there, but it exists in between the initial and final stage. But here a reversible process means it is a process which is carried out at infinite number of small steps. In each step, the system is getting equilibrium with that surrounding. It is getting equilibrium with the surrounding. That means, so here what is a reversible process? Here the equilibrium is maintained. Equilibrium is maintained at each step or each stage. Each stage. Then each stage means it is carried out at the infinite number of steps here. In each step here, equilibrium is maintained. In this reversible process, the work done is more. In reversible process, work done is more. In irreversible process, work done is less. I am already I told you del U is equal to 0 for isothermal process. I am going to find out del H value. To find out del H value, all know H is equal to U plus PV. H is equal to U plus PV. I put the change in the enthalpy is equal to change in the internal energy plus change in the pressure and volume. This is. But PV is equal to nRT for ideal gas. So I put here del H is equal to del U plus del into nRT. So here we have del T. You all know the condition for del U is equal to 0, del T is equal to 0. If del U is equal to 0, del H is equal to 0, what happens to del H? That is equal to 0. So for isothermal expansion del H is equal to 0, del U equal to 0, del T is equal to 0. Thanks for watching my video.